Gotcha day! Cassie's thrilled. Can you hear her? You guys, I got you this. I got you a Walmart bag. Don't you want it? Don't you love Walmart bags? Ren and Stimpy like Walmart bags, but this is not for them. At least I'll give them pets. I'm just kidding, guys. There's actually stuff in this Walmart bag for you. Look. Look, I have a stick, a treat stick, 3 treat sticks, triple baked. I know how you like your treat sticks. Guys, look what else. I got a strawberry one, too. I got you a strawberry one. You already have one here that you don't eat, but I got you more. So we're going to save the strawberry ones. I did take out an old one of these that was in there that they ate all off of. But I put one of the treat sticks here. I put one back there. And then I put the third one over here. So they have those to munch on. I hope you love them, guys. Happy Gotcha Day. Dude, they just immediately went to town on that stick. They're like chowing. Hello, ladies. Hi, guys. Oh my gosh. Bertha's happy. There's Bertha and Pepper over there. You can do it, Pep. Look, there's Bean and Harry. Hi, guys. Hi, babies. And look, there's P, there's Goose, Val, Raven, Pheasant. Oh my goodness. We're just missing the Spice Girls. There's a spicy chicken right there. There's 2 spicy chickens. Miss Coriander, can I give a boop? Can I give a pet? Thank you. Curry, can I give a pet? You do your tippy tappies? Yes, ma'am. Here's Bean. She's my best friend in the whole world. There's Bertha. She got a lot to say. And look at this. 4 eggs. Hi, baby. Oh, it's Mr. Boy. How's my little guy? And here's Mr. Cookie.